Hey there, happy post-Thanksgiving. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving holiday. I know I ate way too much turkey and pie and stuffing and didn't get much knitting done somehow. Anyway, this is a quick reminder that on Monday, which is known as Cyber Monday, Black Sheep Knitting will be doing 15% off online of all of our yarns. So you can go to our website, pick something fun, and you can get 15% off from midnight to midnight on Monday. So starting at 12 a.m. Monday and going to 12 midnight. So take advantage if you don't live near a yarn shop and you'd like something a little bit discounted. Order something. I wanted to show you just quickly, we got some new fun bags in the shop. And this one is, you pack some yarn, I'll pack a needle. So I thought was just fun. And then another one called Never Too Many Needles. And there's a little hedgehog. Anyway, we have lots of items for holiday giving. So come on in the shop or look tomorrow online. Remember, the online sale is for yarn only. So happy holidays, folks. Bye.